Hello, everybody. I hope all are doing great and we are all great. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for your encouragement. And today, again, I came up with a very, very interesting and very useful topic to each and everyone. That is, wipe off the negativity from your mind from time to time. If you are the person who is cleaning completely the negative thoughts, the limited beliefs from your mind and heart, you are really very, very great. And who are not removing the negative thoughts from their mind and limiting beliefs from their heart, please try to remove them from time to time to attract more and more positivity and positive vibes in your life. So I want to share with the help of a very beautiful and wonderful story. So let's dive into today's story. Once there was a king to one kingdom. He is very generous and very kind-hearted person. He never says no to anyone. He never hurts anybody. So one day, one of the painters from the same kingdom approaches the king and asks to give him one opportunity to prove himself. He explains himself that I am the very good painter and I am very hard worker and I will surely assure that after completion of my painting, you will definitely like it and you will definitely surprise that is this the mahal, is this the wall, is this the kingdom I'm staying from long back onwards? As we all know, our king was very kind-hearted and generous personality, right? So he accepted and he given him the opportunity. As he requested, the king given in his mahal one side wall. And the painter felt so happy. Immediately, one of the karmic worker who sweeps, who cleans the walls, who cleans the floor and nothing like sweeper. So he is very young and he came forward and asked the king to give him one opportunity. And king felt so surprised and he's little bit in ambiguity, right? To what chance I should give to the sweeper. He is the painter. If he asks, there is some reason behind that, right? We can approve that. But how come the sweeper can paint the wall? But the painter has requested the king to approve his 3 conditions. Number 1 condition was, just give me the wall exactly opposite wall to the painter. And number 2, please give me the duration, the same duration which you have given to the painter. And number 3, please make sure to make the big curtain between the 2 walls. You may or may not think that I can copy from the painter wall, but please make big curtain between the 2 walls. And kind-hearted personality king, he accepted the 3 conditions, and moreover he has given the duration, the time duration 6 months to both the painter and the sweeper, young boy. And moreover, here the king felt so happy inside and he praised that young boy in his mind that because of his braveness, because of his confidence, right? So as we all know, the king is having so many powers in his hand, right? He can remove him from his kingdom, otherwise he can give punishment to him. But very bravely, he never thought too much. He just came forward with brave thinking, with confidence. So he praised him in his mind. And he thought, let me see what painting he will paint on the wall. So as the days are moving on, 6 months finished. So the king and the soldiers, everybody went firstly to see the painting of the painter. But in the mind, everybody were very curious to see the painting of the young karmic boy. So, but they all visited first the painter painting. So, as and when they went, they were surprised by seeing that painting. He just beautifully decorated the wall with beautiful flowers, beautiful leaves, and moreover with the very beautiful color combination, right? For any painting, color combination is very, very important. So that chokers and that borders, everything, it looks like never before and ever after. Yes, my dear friends, he beautifully, very wonderfully he decorated the wall, and the king felt so happy, and he gifted the painter 1000 varahas. So now, along with the king, everybody were very curious to see the painting of the young karmic boy. As and when they removed the curtain, to everyone's surprise, the same painting they have seen on the wall of the young boy too. Yes, my dear friends, they were just surprised and they still in shock. How can it be possible? How can it be possible? Because 24 hours, day and night, they are taking care of both the guys, right? But how can it be possible? There was curtain, there were people, exactly the same painting, the same color combination, the same beautiful flowers, everything exactly the same. How can it be possible? But the king felt so happy, endless happiness, and he gifted that boy 2000 varhas. So here, my dear friends, exactly the situation what happened was, by profession, the young boy was the karmic worker. He was the sweeper, right? So he just given 110% to his work, and he made that wall like a mirror, right? So the same painting which the painter has done, so exactly the opposite wall, it just reflected on that wall. And moreover, that wall was white marble stone wall. So he made that wall like a mirror. How much effort he put to make that, right? So what's the moral and value we should know, we should learn from this story? That we should wipe off, we should clean the negative thoughts from our mind from time to time, and the limiting beliefs, the conditions which we keep in our heart, that it's not my cup of tea, I can't afford this, I can't do this. These are all limiting beliefs. You are having abundance of power to achieve anything in your life, right? So just remove all those limiting beliefs from your heart and negative thoughts from your mind. As in the story, how the young boy wiped off the dirt, cleaned the dirt on the wall, and it became the mirror. The same way, you should make your mind and heart like a mirror. And moreover, your mind plays a very important part, important role in your life. What you feed to your mind, your life become the same. So please remove the negative thoughts from your mind to attract more and more positivity. How? How can it be possible? If you wipe off negativity, negative thoughts from your life, from your mind, of course, obviously you should attract, you must attract positivity, right? There is no second thought. So to attract positivity, you no need to work more and more. You just remove negativity from your mind, and obviously 110% you will attract positivity from your surroundings, from your surrounding people, from your friends, relatives. You just attract positivity. No negativity should be there in your mind. And moreover, in our day-to-day life, we just take so many decisions like this, right? We never give second thought. because of maybe overconfidence, maybe, right? There are different reasons to different persons. So please give second thought. You will definitely attract more and more positivity in your life. Till next week, your Harita signing off. Stay positive. Take care.